Okay, this is a Ford van, box van that I have for sale. I've had it for years. It's got a brand new trans in it. We put a Jasper trans in it about 5,000 miles ago. The engine is a Rhino. Rhino was a company like Jasper. They're no longer in business, but I don't think anyway. But the engine's rebuilt about 8,000 miles ago. It's got, the body's in nice shape. It's got great tires on it. Probably has $1,000 worth of tires on it. Rims are nice and clean. Body's clean. Get a good look at it. It's got a trailer hitch on it. I put a transmission cooler in it also because last transmission, I guess that's what killed it. I have a tractor that we towed. Again, the tires, it's got dual wheels in the back, of course. You can see the tires are in great shape. I'll get you to look at another one. And the body's clean. It's not banged up. It's got some nicks. I got some touch-up paint. I just haven't gotten around to doing it. So it's got the new trans in it. It's got the new motor in it. There's no miles on them. I own a bunch of buildings, and I use this to go from building to building to fix things. And all the buildings are in Union, so it really didn't go out of Union. That's why it doesn't have any miles on it. Let's take a look inside. It's got a latch on it that, of course, works. And the inside's clean. I had these shelves we built in here years ago. And I mean years ago. Floors, all nice shape. Floor's not damaged. That's it here. I can show you the cab. The steering column ignition system broke, so we had to put a new steering column in, and it's an older van. Excuse me, it's an older van, but I couldn't get the steering column without an airbag, which was a couple years newer. So that's why it looks like it does. It doesn't have the airbag because this model didn't have one. But it runs great here. Let's see. And you got oil pressure. You can see it's cold. I just started it. Charges. Everything works. Everything works. It's a nice little package. It's got windows in it that we, I don't know if what the story is here. We put years ago. Yeah, I'll have my partner check that out. Years ago we put electric windows in it. It had hand cranks. You can put the hand crank back on right there if you want, but that's it. So it's a good running van. Great for a construction company or a little guy getting started. Exhaust system's good. Everything runs on it. Seat's a little messed up here, but it's nothing. A piece of tape won't hurt. It's a work truck. And that's it, I guess. Walk around one more time so you can take a look. No dents on the fender. No dents on the hood. No dents on this fender and door. The box is clean. See that. Rims are painted. Inside's nice. This side's nice and clean. No dents any place. Rims painted. So it's clean. Anyway, I don't need it anymore. It's got a handle here. This is just mud. See how this works? You just flip this over, put Put your lock in here, nobody can get in. Nice clean truck. Like I said, the transmission is perfect, and so is the engine. See if I can get out of here and take you for a ride. What's different on this truck than newer trucks is this is the old Cleveland engine. It's a 351, so it's not about the horsepower, it's about the torque. The old blocks were bigger in a truck like this, and they just have more torque. You can hear everything running. Let's see. There you go. I'll take it out on the highway here.